Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a video of me using Polygel for the first time, and you actually have seen a bit of it because I used the Polygel for the first time when I was doing the fire nail design. So as you guys already know, I first applied the primer that came in the kit that I bought, and right after that I also used the base drop from the kit. And when I finally got that cured, this is what I was working with. And now what I needed to do is to apply the nail forms. And if you want to know how I put them on, I actually uploaded a video on that, so go check it out. So the brush that came in the kit also had this picker tool on the other side, and I'm just gonna use it to scoop out some of the polygel. I actually got the milky one, and this is how it looks. And after I applied it on my fingernail, it was time to start sculpting. And this is where all of the problems started. So first, I never used it, so I didn't know how to go about it. And after a few taps with my brush, I found out that for this one I actually need quite a lot of alcohol on my brush to make it work. Otherwise it will stick to the brush and just go everywhere. But I didn't give up. I was trying and trying, and I thought I got the hang of it. Everything was going wherever I wanted it to go. So yeah, I have fun. I knew what I was doing. I mean, at least that's what I thought, but it still took me quite a bit of time. And all of my problems started around here, because my brush was saturated with so much alcohol that I needed to make the polygel not stick to it. It actually started to run all the way into my cuticles, and it was just way too runny for me to control it. So my plan here was to just make the nail look good as quickly as possible and then wipe it off. I thought I was done, so I just wiped it off, and of course right after I did it, I needed to fix up some stuff, so I just came back to doing my nail. Of course, I was still moving pretty slow, so I needed to wipe it off again, and I did it off camera with a bit of drier brush, and that way it didn't move anymore. And after the cleanup, I cured it for 60 seconds. And then I was finally ready to take off the nail form and see how it looks. As you can see here for yourself, it is a bit crooked, but for me it's good. For the first time, I think I actually did a good job. Okay, and then I just wiped it off with some alcohol, and it was time to start filing. And here's the thing, guys. In my opinion, polygel is quite a bit softer than gel, so that's something good. It's easier to file it, it doesn't take so much time. But at the same time, it leaves quite a bit of dust, so if I were to shape it and file it with the e-file, I would need to wear a mask or something like this because, I mean, there is a lot of dust. I'm shaping my nail into square shape, but the final result is going to be almond shape because I just changed my mind. And if you guys want to see how I did these nails, The full video is on my channel. It's called the Fire Nail design. You can click the link in the right corner. And this is pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!